Hello, my name is Angeli and I'm gonna show you how to make a face mask easily and quickly. Prepare material by pre-washing. Cut the material in several layers to make pieces that measure 9 by 8 inches. Taking a 9 by 8 inch piece, hem a 9-inch edge. And chain piecing will allow you to make several in a short period of time. Lay chosen pieces right side together. Lay 8-inch piece of elastic close to the hemline and we are ready to sew. Start sewing down the side to the lower corner. Lay elastic down the side between pieces of material. Catch the elastic before reaching the corner and sew over. Now we are ready to sew across the bottom edge. Turn the material and insert the second piece of elastic as close to the edge as possible. Sew down to the last corner. Insert the end of the second piece elastic and finish off. Now we are ready to turn inside out. Poke your fingers into the corners and gently tug on the elastic. Do the same on the other corner. Poke with your finger and gently pull on the elastic, thus making a sack-like structure. Lay on a flat surface and we are ready to make the fold. Fold forward and flip back to make the first fold. Find an edge and flip forward to make the second fold. Secure with a clip and we are ready to sew again. Start on the right upper corner and sew down through the folds to the bottom corner. Turn the corner and sew the bottom edge. Turn the corner and sew the other side. We will make a U-turn and retrace our steps. Tie off the ends and we are done. So this mask will open up and has a top pocket for the filter. Happy sewing!